Too bad I can't like actually see him, but it's recording. Yo, he's like, I'm too cold.
Ready, set, go.
What, little nigga? What, little nigga? Whoa! 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 Whoa, nigga! What? Starting on him! You want this round two? Yeah, I want this round two.
Wow. Should put this on YouTube. World Star. Yeah. Pop your arm out.
He said, Tony said.
Did he elbow your arm?
Yes.
Wow.
What's wrong with
I mean, but you gotta understand he's been walking all day. And Barry's not.
What's wrong with him?
Like.
We're in GG, we've been walking all day.
Yeah, I know. Like, it's like not even. Wow.
We're in a tracksuit.
I know, like, compared to someone wearing jeans.
They've been walking all day.
Yeah, like.
We've been walking for like 8 hours. On your mark,
You know.
get set, go.
I don't think they heard you.
Alright, on your mark, get set, go. Tony, you do it for me.
Dude.
I've been screaming all day. I can't really.
On your mark, get set, go.
You got the hell of that stuff. 2 out of 3, boy.
Oh my God.
Round 3? Round 3? Mm-hmm. Alright, hit a little head start. Again, I saw you. Look, he bobbed his head, but I was like, alright, we're going to start.
I know about my head.
Wow.
See these tights? These tights mean I'm going to win.
And this is being documented. When he gets old, he'll know.
Let's go. Wow. Wow. Too fucking doing this.
Indulging your brother, I guess. You know y'all about us Christ, eh? Trying to get what is?
I knew something wrong with my knee.
Wow. Maybe you should do stretches.
Ain't gonna need it. More now.
This would be a nice time for a hoodie.
Yeah, I should have grabbed my hoodie. I didn't think it was gonna be this cold though. It was hot
Yeah.
earlier.
So it doesn't look like Barry's ready yet. He's too busy, like. He's lucky I can't like zoom in better.
Oh, hell no, Hogan.
Got issues. Are you ready yet? Are you ready? Okay. On your mark, get set, go. Okay. On your mark, get set, go.
This is why I'm the best, nigga.
Okay. Okay, that's about it.
It's like you got a head start a little bit.
I don't even care anyone to
Yeah,
go.
I just want to do that.
Like, it's just too cold for all this.